Welcome to the Ancestral Alchemy podcast. Here we discuss generational trauma and the path from dysfunction to harmony.
Hey, sisters, soul sisters, better get that dough, sisters. We drink wine with diamonds in the glass by the case, the meaning of expensive taste.
Not just one, not two, but three wise women. Is here to vibrate and resonate the frequencies of intimacy, pleasure, sacred sexuality, fun, freedom, and equality, solo and in relationship. What does Sisterhood Circle mean to you?
You said it and it brought up tears. The women have been taught to use each other and to climb on each other, and that's not our natural self. And being in circle, I think what it does for me, at least, it allows me to strip away what society has placed upon me from now back into my ancestors and my moms and my grandmothers and my great-grandmothers and what we were supposed to be. Because of the circles, we have that tremendous flood, I want to say a flood of women awakening and understanding that we don't have to do this alone, that we can hold each other's hands, we can sit in a circle, we can hold each other's babies, we can do what needs to be done for that other sister without being in competition.
Oh,
Entering sisterhood has been like a paradigm shift. There's been such an amplification of my authenticity. It's like since I started engaging in sisterhood circles, just like watching both myself and the women around me evolve and expand. In circle, we witness in which every woman speaks and the other women give her undivided attention and presence, and we listen. And that's really powerful. There's no kind of discussion after a share. Nobody shares their opinions. Nobody gives you advice. Nobody tells you what they think you should do. Instead, women reflect back to you what you have said. And sometimes just hearing what you said brings so much awareness. And in the field of sisterhood, we sometimes speak things that are kind of channeled through that we're not consciously aware of. So even as we share, we start saying things and we get this perspective.
Individual purpose and my parents. And then collective purpose and collective trauma and ancestors. And then spiritual love, spiritual acceptance, embracement, wholeness, and divine power. Like birth canal towards divine love. And you